Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to learn about the Indian system of numeration. Then, after that, uh, we'll study about the international system of numeration. Then, we will cover the topic expanded form and place value and face value. So, let's start with Indian system of numeration. Okay, so Indian system. So I'm going to take an example, that is take we'll take a large number. Now you are in 6th standard, so number is okay. So first of all, what will you do? Write the place value. Okay, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore, then 10 crore. Okay, so Indian system, the place value system is like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, then 10 lakh, then crore, then 10 crore. And how to use commas in between the number, between the digits. So first of all, count from the right side. Okay, 3 digits, 1 2 3. Place the comma here. Then after every 2 digits you have to place commas help us to read the numbers easily. Okay, like it is 32 crore. Okay, 14 lakhs and 8,090. Okay, you can read the number easily using commas. Okay, so I'm repeating how to use the commas. First of all, starting from the right to left, you have to, here it is 0, right to left, first of all you have to count 3 digits, 1 2 3. Yeah, put the comma here, then every 2 digits you have to place the comma. Okay, and now you can read the numbers easily. It is 32 crores 14 lakhs 8,000 and 90. Fine, this is the Indian system of numeration. So I'm going to take one more example here, example number 2, so that you can understand the numbers. It is 1,000,5672. So what will we do? First of all, we will write the place value, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, so now put the commas among the digits from right to left, 1 2 3, then 2 digits. Yeah, thus now you can read the number easily. If you place the if you write the place value above the number, then you can read the number names easily. Okay, so it is 1 crore. 10 lakh and lakh digits जो है बेटा वहाँ पे 0 है, so you don't read this. Okay, so after 1 crore you have to write the number name with 5,000. Okay, how will you write it? 1 crore 5,000 600 6 172 फाइन। सो आई होप कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਬੇਟਾ। ਨਾउ इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन, इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम। ओके, इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम बेटा ता समझ आएगा इफ़ यू विल कंपेयर बोथ सिस्टम्स। ओके, सो इधर मैं लिख रही हूँ इंडियन दी प्लेस वैल्यूज़ और इधर लिखांगी इंटरनेशनल। ओके, इन इंडियन सिस्टम द प्लेस वैल्यूज़ आर ones, tens, 100, 1000, then 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and so on. Okay, and in international system, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million, okay, then billion, 10 billion, then 100 billion. Okay, so again, what is the difference between Indian and international system? Till 10,000 it is same, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 Indian system, and in international system also ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. After 10,000 in Indian system it is lakh, but in international system it is 10,000, then 100,000, 100,000, after that million, 10 million, 100 million, then billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay, so I am going to take example number 3. Yes, and what is the rule to put commas in international system? From right to left, after every 3 digits, if suppose 224 here, after every 3 digits you have to place the commas, then you will be able to read the number, you will be able to write the number name easily. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, then million, 10 million, 100 million. So the number name for this number is 224 million. I am going to write it 224 million 408,000 90. It's 90. Okay, yeah, 224,408,090 is the number name for the given number. Okay, for the given example. Now example number 4, we are taking one more example for international system. So the next number is okay, so put the commas first of all, then write the place value. So we are going to write the number name in international system. So from right to left you have to place commas after every 3 digits, 1 2 3 here, then here. Write place value according to international system: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, the number name for this number is 198,000,000 98 million 756,000 and 200. Okay, 198,756,200. Right? So I hope you are all are able to understand about the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So our next topic for today's class is expanded form. Okay, that is very easy. सो एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म बेटा चाहे वो इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम होए चाहे वो इंडियन सिस्टम होए दोनों वास्ते सेम वे नाल तुसी एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म लिखनी है. ओके, देयर इज़ नो different method for both the system, there is the same method. Okay, so the number is example number 5. The number is 2,76,809. Okay, so we have to write it in expanded form. So write the place value 1, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. 2,76,809. The number is 2,76,809 and we have to write this in expanded form. So how will we write? 2 lakh. We have written 2 lakh plus 70,000. It's 10,000. The place value is 10,000. So according to that, we'll write it 70,000. Then 6,000. Then 800 plus 9. Fine. So this is the expanded form for the given number. Okay, I think in previous classes you have also studied this, the expanded form. Now the next topic is place value and face value. Place value and face value. So try to understand. I am taking an example, example number 6. The number is 37 lakhs 48,000 763. 37 lakh 48,763. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so the question is write the place value and face value of the digit 8. Okay, the question is write the place value and the face value of the digit 8 in the given number. Okay, so the place value of 8 is, first of all we will write the place value. Okay, place value of 8 is equal to, it is 1000, so the answer is 8,000. And the face value, so what does face value means? Face means जैसे वो दिखता है उसका face कैसा है, it is 8 only, so the face value of 8 is 8. Fine, this is the difference between place value and face value. So one more question with the same number, find the difference between the place value and face value of the digit 7 in the given number. Okay, so the place value of 7 is 100. So write it first. Place value of 7 is equal to 700. Then face value of 7 is 7. And now the question is find the difference between both of them. Okay, so here difference is equal to 700 minus 7. So it's 693. Okay, so question will be in any form, like find the difference. The question can be in the form find the sum, find the product, okay, or find the you have to divide the place value and face value. तो ਇੱਥੇ बेटा question change होके आ सकता है. Find the difference है तो you have to subtract. If the question is find the sum, then you have to add both the values. If the question is find the product, then you have to multiply both the values. Okay, so in today's class we have covered the topics: international system of numeration, Indian system of numeration, expanded form, place value and face value. I hope ਤੁਸੀਂ exercise ਕਰਨ which success होवोगे बेटा, successful होवोगे. And you have if you have any doubt you can ask in the live sessions. Okay, thank you so much.